Hey guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. Today I'm going to talk about how I made my paint spinner, and I did this very inexpensively, and some of the challenges that I know many of us are trying to figure out is how to make the paint spinner bigger without spending a lot of money. So what I did was just use a basic plastic cake spinner that was, I think, about 11 inches. Got it off of Amazon for around $15, I think. And let me just take the back off here so I can show you how I attached it to these bigger boards. So I've attached 3 2.5 by 24 boards that I had laying around, and I just attached them with basic screws, as you can see here. You can use any boards you have on hand or even go bigger than this, as long as you make sure that it's installed exactly in the center of the circle, because that's going to make sure that when you spin it, one side is not going to be heavier than the other and thus cause your paint to flow in that direction. So this was a really easy process. I was able to do it myself. As you can see, it's been well used, and it will hold about a 16 by 20 canvas or even bigger if the canvas has a wood support beam in the middle. So if you're looking for an easy and inexpensive way to enlarge your spinner, I would encourage you to try this technique. Well, that's all I have for today. And make sure you subscribe for more acrylic pouring techniques and tricks and hacks. See you next time.